Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki S-4 S-Cross. In this video I'll show you what is LDP and how to manage it. LDP stands for Lane Departure Prevention, while DSBS focuses on preventing you from hitting the car in front of you. LDP focuses on keeping you from accidentally drifting out of your lane. To enable it, let's go to menu on the instrument cluster and enter LDP. Here you can change warning mode between vibration, buzzer, warning timing between default, earlier, and swaying warning between on and off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.